Welcome to my channel. So today we are going to unbox flip camera for Polo. This which is having the dynamic trajectory also in this thing. So let's unbox it. So when you open the box, you'll get to see another small box here. So you need to remove this. So this will be the small box, and here you have the main camera. So let's keep the camera aside and let's see what will be there in this box. So in this box we'll be having the frame for PQ25 and let's see, we'll be having the cables run through from rear to the front, and the wastage water outlet pipe will be given inside only. So we'll be having this. Will be supported for both. This is actually for the RCD. So if you want, I can get it for Android as well. So both it will support the same thing only. All the working everything will be same, and you have these power connectors for the camera. Yes. All the installation kit will be inside this box. So let's keep this box aside and we'll take this thing. So here we will have this flip camera. So let's take this camera out. And keep this box aside. Yeah. Yes, I have taken that out. Yes, let's focus. So this is the flip camera for the Volkswagen Polo. Here is the connectors, and this is here for your connectors and the power adapters. All plug and play, no wire cutting needed. So if anybody wants, can contact me. The contact number will be in the description. Please do subscribe to my channel for more and more updates regarding all German cars. Thank you.